Hello everyone and welcome to Bret versus Simon, where Bret's current champion of the little Midas Mini is facing today's pick. It is the Gas Monkey 68 Corvette, which is based on the Midas Monkey. Will it be the Midas touch for me?
No.
And win in this 3 out of 2 race? Let's find out. Yeah. So, race number 1. Gas Monkey in lane 1, Mini in lane 3. In 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Get you some of that. So race number 2, Gas Monkey in lane 3, Mini in lane 1. Tears are gonna flow down Bret's face after I've won. So 3, 2, 1, go! Oh poop.
Overconfidence always loses.
Oh poop.
Overconfidence always loses.
I like the fact it was oh poop.
Right, so for all the marbles.
What are the marbles?
Hang on, gotta put the gate down.
Yeah, don't forget that bit.
So, for all the marbles. Gas Monkey, lane 2, Mini in lane 3. Come on, let's win.
No.
3, 2, 1, go! Go.
Can we do a retake?
Nope. So finally, after Bret won for 2 weeks in a row, I have finally beat him. So, going forward to the next Bret versus Simon challenge is the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey, based on the Midas Monkey. It really was the Midas touch for me today.
No.
How are you feeling, Bret? You happy?
Terrible.
Your silence says everything. Do you know what car you're going to pick to challenge me next time?
The same one.
You can't do the same one.
Yes.
I'll try and convince him out of that.
No.
We'll see you next time. So please, if you would, give us a subscribe. It's 100% free to do. But for now, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Woo!